I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash.
Good morning. Today is the last vlog of this Disney series. We are leaving tonight. Our flight isn't until 7 p.m. So we are packing up and then we're gonna go to Disney Springs. But before I pack up completely, I kind of wanted to show you what I got at the parks this year. Last year, I don't feel like I got anything. I went into a lot of shops and I just never bought anything. This year, I actually bought some stuff. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so I had to get new ears because I left all of mine at home. These ones for Magic Kingdom. These ones for Epcot. Obviously Animal Kingdom. And then I wore these last night at Hollywood Studios. I also got a hat for rain days and for the day off that we did, or I did. We got a resort mug to fill, a sticker for the suitcase. I got a bunch of new pins. Let me just show you real quick. So I'm trying to get every resort pin that we stay at. I don't have these guys yet and I love them. Obsessed with Ratatouille. We went on the new ride. It was really good, so I had to get that one. Grape soda because, you know, up. Fox and the Hound, the cutest, saddest Disney movie ever, so I had to get that. And then of course the 50th celebration, because it's the 50th celebration. Also got this ornament. Let me hang it up for you. It is so cute. And then we did Disney After Hours. I donated to an animal thing at Animal Kingdom. We went to Sci-Fi Diner, got a parking violation. And yeah, I believe that is everything we got. Oh wait, I got some shirts. Let me show you the shirts real quick. So I got some new sweaters mainly. This one, I feel like is super popular because there's only smalls of it and I found a medium. Wanted a large, but medium looks fine. And then this one I found over on the boardwalk. We're from Martha's Vineyard, so I thought it was funny. So I got a Merry Christmas one to wear during Christmas. And then this sweater was really hard to choose because there was another one I wanted, but this one's really comfortable. Nick said he liked it a little more. I think I agree. I'm glad that I got this one. Can't wait to wear it. I really wanted the 50th celebration spirit jersey, but they only had extra smalls in that, so I didn't get that. So the only 50th celebration thing I got was the pin. But maybe I can order that later. Who knows? But that was what we got here at Disney. Now that I'm done showing everything up, we're gonna finish packing, go get some breakfast, and then we're gonna check out. We're gonna put our bags into a little bellhop service we have because we don't have to catch the Tragical Express until like 4:45. So we're gonna go over to Disney Springs. It's gonna rain again, so gotta prepare for that. But we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, hang out, last Disney moments. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you, bring you along for that because it's like, what do you do when your flight isn't until at night, but you have to check out? So this is it. We just had our last breakfast here. Went to the El Mercado area, which is like the marketplace of this resort. I got my last Mickey waffles. Nick got the breakfast sandwich that we've had already. And I went to the market and got my chocolate covered peanuts because they're so good, like so incredibly good. And now we're just gonna walk back, and I don't think we've actually shown you the outside of this area, so enjoy this little montage of Coronado Springs. We have aloe plants outside of our place. So we got a sunburn. All I have to do is just break it off, put it on sunburn.
Dang, we should have got sunburns.
World Disney store, did some damage, got some things for some friends who took care of our babies. But we're about to go into the Christmas store that's here because, you know, ornaments, and we have a Disney tree, so let's go see them. Done did Disney Springs.
Done diddly did it.
Actually, I don't feel like we did much there. We ate some lunch, got some gelato that got everywhere.
Gelato is very messy.
Very messy. There's these cool cars that like drive in the water, if that makes any sense. The balloon wasn't happening, so again, no balloon ride for us.
There's a car that runs on water, man.
It's almost 4 now, so we're gonna hitch a ride back to the resort and then grab our bags, take the Tragical Express to the airport, and fly home. Hi guys, awkwardly in the airport, ending the vlog like a week later. So anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know Nick likes it too, but I love Disney, so it means a lot to me. If you guys subscribe to our channel, like these videos, comment on them, and yeah, we're off to Las Vegas, so see you in another vlog.
Next time on I Just Want to Travel.
Welcome to Las Vegas!
You're running! You make me think there's an emergency.
We gotta cross the road. So we're going there tonight, Neon Graveyard, with our couple. We're gonna go see the America's Got Talent variety show. We are shooting that wedding today. Let's go see Foo Fighters.
You enjoy the week, stay safe, and welcome to Las Vegas.